What's going on, traders? Corey Smith here, CoreFX. Welcome to my official YouTube educational page. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please hold on 1 second. Give me 1 minute of your time to explain to you what I'm doing here, what brought me to YouTube, how you ended up on my page, and how it can help. I've been trading Forex for 6 years. I've traded professionally for multiple foreign currency proprietary trading firms. I've done technical analysis for some of the top companies, T3 Live for one. I have my own trading and analysis company, and I really just started teaching education for Forex when I realized how much of a lack of quality information there was online, especially free information. A lot of people have a lot of interest in the Forex markets, and the main interest is financial freedom. However, a lot of these people don't have access to financial resources and funds to take these $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 classes to change their life. If everybody had that laying around, everybody would be taking those courses, but the truth is people don't. And there needs to be more quality, free education out there. So what I've done is I've made this page. I'm going to be dumping free education out there. I'm going to have weekly technical analysis rooms that I go over live on my student room that I'm going to be recording and putting onto YouTube. I'm going to have constant new topics being uploaded. I'm going to cover everything from psychology to trading plan development, journaling, technical analysis, you name it, it'll be covered. Please just stay tuned to this page, subscribe, turn on your notifications so that every time I put up a new video, you'll get notified. Check out the videos I have so far below, but be aware that there's much more content coming. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for hearing me out, and I really, really look forward to seeing you guys inside the trading room. Thank you.